Hi everybody, my name's Jill. Today we're going to do the 5-minute macrame terracotta pot hanger. I put it in my rearview mirror and I get comments all the time on it. I'm making this for my friend for her birthday. It's coming up in a few days. It only takes 5 minutes and is super easy, so hope you can join me and make this cute little craft. So all you need for this is scissors, a terracotta pot or any little pot you have. I got this at the dollar store, and some string. Use thin string for this one because it's a small pot. I'm going to start by cutting 6 lengths of string, about arm's length. Tie one end in a knot. That'll be your tassel at the bottom, so make it as long as you kind of want. Separate those into 3 groups of 2. So you're going to put each group kind of evenly spaced. Find a spot on your pot where you want your first knot. So I'm going to go around the middle there. Keep your fingers pinched on that area and form your first knot. We're just doing simple knots here. You can get a little more complicated if you want. But for this one, we're just going to keep it really simple with just nice, normal knots. It still looks really cute. So keep that knot tied there. Then with each of the 2 other sets of string, you're going to do the same thing. Now, key here is to make all the knots at the same level. So use that first one as a guide and form the second knot and the third knot at the same level. And that way your pot will hang evenly and it'll look good on all sides. So form that. All 3 knots there. Now you're going to take a side of each string from the ones beside each other and bring them together to form another knot. You're not going to go too high on this because the pot's pretty small. So I'm just going to go a little ways up, pinch my fingers there, and do a little knot there. This will form a net that the pot can hang in. So you don't just tie knots up along the same strings, you form the 2 sets together, and that makes that net that the pot can hang in. So tie a knot there. Then same thing with these ones. You're going to bring one string and bring it over beside and make that knot at the same level as the one you just did. So just another simple knot there. Bring it in and just kind of pull it. Sometimes it's nice on a flat surface that you can just kind of see. Pull those knots tight and just to even them out there. Same thing on the last set, you'll have 2 strings left, bring those around, and you can form a simple knot with those ones at the same level as the other 2. Now this is just the basic macrame pot hanger that you can make into bigger. It's really easy. I've got some other tutorials that I'm going to put up on some bigger items, but this one's really cute and it's an easy way to start. So now we have a bit of a net started there. I put my pot in there and you can see it's nice and secure hanging in there. Looks cute already. So for me, I'm just going to put a little knot at the top here. It doesn't really matter where. If you want to think about the fact that this one's going in a rearview mirror, so not too high, but it just kind of brings all those strings. Leave a little at the top. That's why we keep the strings a little longer so they can hang it around their rearview mirror. And there you go. Now put whatever you want in this little pot. I tend to not put real plants in these ones because they're going in a car and you've got to water them. So I'm just taking a few fake flowers I've got hanging around the house. You can hot glue them in there, get some of that foam stuff to stick them in, whatever you want, and bring them in. I thought an air plant would be really cute in there too. And there you have it. Pretty easy. Enjoy and hope your friends like this new gift you've got in less than 5 minutes.